I cannot be the only one who constantly loses the backs of my earrings, or my earrings altogether. Hey Credos, I have a little solution for you today. If you either lose the backs of your earrings or you have loop earrings that fall off and get lost or tangled in your clothing, I have a simple solution for you. I only have 4 piercings, 2 on each side. Well, I actually have a 5th up here, back from my radical college days, but I don't wear an earring in it anymore. But I have 2 problems. When I'm putting on my earrings, I will often drop the back, sometimes in a drawer or on the floor, never to be found again. It's like the missing sock. Who knows where it goes? I also have a lot of hook earrings that will just somehow get pushed out either from my hair, from clothing, from a coat, and they'll be lost forever. So I got this little kit in a nice little plastic case. It has over 1,000 pieces to help solve the problem. These are not real gold or silver. They are metal, rubber, plastic, but they're good quality and hypoallergenic. I'm not gonna pretend I know the proper names for any of these, but I'm gonna try to show you what is included. First, we have just the typical regular back. That comes in both gold and silver. Next, we have the bullet backs. Those are also in gold and silver. They're very much the same way. Next, we have bullet backs with the butterfly. That's the plastic piece, especially for heavier earrings. It helps hold them upright. We have the same in a rubber bullet back. You can see that. And a rubber bullet back with the butterfly. Last, we have one of my favorites that I use for looping earrings. It's just the little tube. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little clear tube. It just slides up over the hook. And we have a similar back that's a little flower shape, just a little hole. Last but not least, it comes in this nice little divided plastic case that closes securely and latches. So they're not gonna get mixed up and they're not gonna fall out. If you need a quick solution to your earring problems, get this little case. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and ring that notification bell. You can also follow along on Instagram at Midlife Credo, and you can join the Midlife Tribe on Facebook too, where we're thriving midlife without the crisis, but with cute jewelry and accessories that don't fall out.